Hello guys, this is Technology King back with another one. Today I'll be talking about a discounted website for Amazon products. This is a great resource if you want to save some money using Amazon. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to click on this product here. You see that product? I'm going to click on it right here. Okay. So this is the price we're going to get it for. $8.99. Now, you may say, hey, Technology King, how will you get it to be $8.99? Hit get code, and there's the code. To copy the code, you hit this icon here. Code is copied, and it also take you straight to the product on Amazon. Now watch the magic happen. We're going to add this. We're going to delete this from the cart, just so for the video's purposes. Now there's nothing in the cart. We're going to add this product to the cart. It's done. Then we're going to go to proceed to checkout. You see one item. You're going to hit no thanks on this. And as you can see, this product is at regular price right now. We're going to change that. It's $17.99. We're going to change that price. First thing you want to do is click here. Done. We click there. We're going to then paste this code. Hit apply. As you see, it took the code. Now we're going to make it work by hitting this here. And the promotional code was applied. As you can see. And after taxes, this is what your price will be. Remember, it was $26 and some change before I applied the code. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody out. If you got any value out of this video, go ahead and smack that thumbs up and share, like, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Technology King signing out. See you guys on the next one.